You don't have to know how it's going to happen. You have to decide that it's going to happen. Your job is to live your full truth with passion, and to serve others by doing that. Your words have creative power. When you speak, you shape your reality. The only difference between your wildest dreams and a reality is courage. Life is not happening to you, life is happening for you. Your story is the key that can unlock someone else's prison. Fear and doubt have the same success rate as faith and courage. So why not choose faith and courage? If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.